So after you created a class, you have to create models. So you can add a study set if you had some sets already created, or you can add sets from this button. Here you can add members. Here you can connect with Google Classroom as well. And here you can edit, notificate, or some report. Alright, here you will see some members. So you can copy link and send it via email, via some social networks to your students to make them join this course. Or if you know their nickname, you can add it from here. Add members and put here their nicknames. And when you did it, send invites. So, but right now we will create the sets. Let's create a new one. We can call it, for example, let's create it irregular verbs as an example. Here you can see is it visible for everyone or not, only editable by you or not. So also you can add a label or diagram, but let's try first without it. As an example, let's put the first word, which is take. Make sure it's written with proper, so take. And then you can put the description in your language. For example, you can choose the language here. For example, Indonesian, Russian, Spanish. So let's choose Russian as an example. And you can put here the Russian abbreviation and also the image. For example, this image I really like, so I will put it. So the next word. So this is one by one. Also, you can add a voice recording, so you can pronounce this word for your students. And here you can put the definition, also you can pronounce it. Alright? Okay, so after you're done, you should press add card. Add card, if you will add one more. So here we have 5, and you will have 6 one. Create. So we'll press on create. You need 2 cards in term language. Okay, 2 cards. Okay, let's put give, and then the translation and some picture. For example, give presents. So create. So we created sets. You can share it on Google Classroom if you have. You can copy link or add to a class folder. So what can we do after this? So after this you can see, okay, this is Russian abbreviation, picture, and what is it? For example, give. Oops, I was wrong. Here you can see the right example. Press the key to continue. And what this one is? For example, take. Correct one would be give. Alright. And from the left side you can see that I have only 2 words in my set. After I will do it several times, it will become familiar. And when I write it in a right way, and when I use it several times in this program, it will go to mastered. So here you go, correct, nice, done. So the next one would be flashcards. Here we can see flashcard, and by pressing we can turn it, and also it will pronounce you if you want. So here you can click on options, audio on or off, answer with English or with your language or with both languages. So that was cards. Then we press on the right block. So here we need to type For example, oh, I misspell it. The program can give me the right option. And then I should do it again. Again, so here you can see the correct, incorrect, and my progress as well. All these things your students can see. Then you press and spell. You should type what you would hear. Take. So I misspelled it. I forgot the last letter. So the system shows me how to type it correctly and made me to type it again. Again, something is wrong. And let's see. If it's right, so it's going another. As you can see, I have only 2 words. The next one is test. So test. Here I should put in a Russian language as I put Russian, and here I should put in English. And then I can check. I should press check answers and check my progress. One of the students' favorites is game match. So here you can put this picture on the right word. For example, this one is not give. Okay. What about this one? Oh, this correct. And this one, yay. So, and you can see for how many seconds you did it. And if you have a lot of students using particularly this model, you can see the grade, who win the first place, who win the second place. It quite motivates them, especially teenagers. So, and the gravitation, which works only on the computer. Here you can use the started. Here you can use the difficulty, easy, medium, or hard, and answer with what kind of languages. So let's go, start game. Here you can see different planets, space, and asteroid is falling down to the Earth, so we have to save our world. So what does mean give? I forgot. So I type something. No, it's not working. Maybe this word. No, it's not this one. Oh no, unfortunately it could touch the Earth. So here we see the right example and we need to type it. The next one. So if it's right, and then we can see the red asteroid. Why? Because I had a mistake in this word. Okay, and it's going again. Here you can see the score and the level on the left. And so on. So basically, these are the main things that you can see. Also, let's go back. So this is how it could look like.